Traders, don't place your next trade until you see this. The next 48 hours could decide whether gold start a fresh rally or slip into another sharp correction. What's surprising is that while many traders are focused on every single candle, institutional traders are watching something completely different: liquidity, positioning, and market reaction. By the end of this video, you'll know the key technicals as well as fundamental events that matters and the two high probability scenario I'm preparing for. Let's jump straight into this charts. Now if you look at the current market, gold has entered a critical phase. After several sessions of volatile price action, the market is no longer moving in a clean trend. Instead, it's consolidating as buyers and sellers fight for control. This type of price action offer appears before a major breakout. The important question isn't whether gold will move. The important question is which side will trapped first. Market often makes a false move before revealing the real direction, and that's why patience will be more valuable than prediction over the next two trading sessions. If you look at this particular chart, before that, if you see the fundamentals, we can see that the dollar is weakening where we have seen the gold started upside. But now what we have seen, there is a attractive to global investors. If the dollar is strengthened, I have told you that gold could come down under pressure. As well as if you see the Federal Reserve expectation, these are the some of the factors that can affect the price of gold. Okay, because incoming US economic data stronger than expected can support higher rate in expectation. As well as if you see the geopoliticals also plays an important role. Now looking at the technical chart, if you see on a 15 minutes chart, we have seen there is a sharp fall has happened today. Okay, otherwise we have not seen a sharp fall because this was after a very long time. It has they break this particular zone of $40.94, which is a very important level. Okay, and we have seen that this particular trend is still supporting downside if it keep moving below this particular level. And suppose if it keep moving below this level, chances are high it will go further down towards $42. From there it can move towards 40. And once the price fall below this level, we will see that it will move towards a level of around 40.30, then to a level of around 40.28. And if it keep moving down that level, we can see a further fall. Understand what we have seen looking at this particular chart. There is a sharp fall happens. Okay, and when there is a sharp fall, we have seen that a bounce comes because we have seen there will be a balance a little. That is where it started going upside. Now looking on 2 hours chart, what you can see, if you look at on the 2 hours chart, we have seen that the sharp fall come as soon as this pattern, which I have clearly mentioned you that see there is a clear pattern has formed. First this pattern is supporting downside, and one started going below 4121 because 4121 is a level where we have seen the price has not made a sharp fall since long. So as soon as started breaking this particular strong support, it came down suddenly. Okay, making a low of around $40, which is also a strong support. From there a little bounce back has come, but as of now the price is trying to go down. Okay, so if it's keep moving down, a further fall can be seen towards a level of 40, which is a weak level. So the price will go below that level and it will go directly towards 40.34, then to a level of $40.30, and then it will move towards 40.28. And once started falling below this level, it will move towards 40.18, which is a strong level, then to a level of 4,000. But if it keep rising, it can touch a level of 40.56, then to a level of 40.61. And once started going above that level, probability of touching 40.68 can be seen from their level of 40.80. Okay, and if it keep rising over this level, a further upside can be seen. So remember that if it keep moving upside, a further high can be seen towards 40.95, and from there a further upside can be seen towards 41.16. Particular chart, chances are high that it can go further down, further upside. Okay, now looking at this chart on a daily basis, what you can see there is a clear pattern showing that there can be a chance that the price can fall below a level of 4,000. But as of now, it is trying to sustain this level. Okay, looking at this chart, what you can see there is a clear opposite pattern has formed. After that there is an upside. So today there can be a probability that if it started falling below 40.23, chances can be high it can go further down, and once started falling below this level, probability of going towards 4,000 is high, and once started falling below this level, chances will be high it will move towards $39.59. From there it will move towards a level of 39.41. okay, and then it will break this particular level. Chances are very high because this pattern is supporting downside, as well as if started going below this level, we will see it will fall towards a level of 39.25, then to a level of $38.82. This is what you can see looking at this chart. But suppose if started going upside, it has to sustain above a level of $40.66, and once started going upside, it can go towards 4100. Chances will be high only when the price keeps sustaining above a level of around $40.64. But if it keep moving above a level of 40.43, we can see still expect that it can go further upside. So chances are if it sustain that level, we can see a level of 40.66, and from there a further upside can be seen towards 40.99. okay, and once the price moving off this level, a probability of touching 41.36 can be seen. From there a level of 41.44, which is a resistance 3, and if it keep moving upside, chance of touching 41.81 can be there, which is resistance 3, and then a further high can be seen towards 4200. So if the price sustain above that level, a further upside can be seen. So remember that if it keep moving above a level of $40.66, chances are high it will move towards 40.82, then to a level of 40.99, and from there it will move towards 41.38, then to a level of 41.42. Then you can expect this pattern will support an upside. So best what you can do, you can trail your SL by around $10 to $15, so at least you will capture upside movement also. okay, I've clearly mentioned bullish sign is that if it keep moving over 40.60, we can see that it can move towards 40.95 and then further high. But if it keep moving below a level of 40.43, a further downfall is on the downside. okay, so here's my question: do you think gold will break higher over the next 48 hours, or do you expect that correction before the next rally? Leave your prediction in the comments below. I read every comments and I would love to know your view. If this analysis helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and turn on notification so you never miss the next gold update. Thank you for watching. Trade with discipline, manage your risk, and I'll see you in the next analysis.